approximately 700 years in the future. The Earth is overly polluted with garbage and destructions of plant and animals. These were all because of human selfishness. The surviving humans abandoned Earth, and they moved to a large spaceship. Humans created special robots to clean Earth, so they can come back on Earth later. But the environment fails to recover. Robots start to destroy by harsh weather. Earth is becoming worse day by day. Only one robot survived. His name is Wall-E. He spends his days collecting interesting things on Earth. One day, a giant spaceship arrives and drops a new robot named Eve. Eve is sent to Earth to find living things on Earth. Eve ignores Wall-E completely as he was non-living things. Wall-E rescues Eve from a dust storm and provides her with shelter. Wall-E shows Eve the last living plant. Wall-E and Eve saved the last living plant and cleaned all the rubbishes on Earth. They saved the Earth and brought new life to humans. Wall-E and Eve lives happily ever after, together with humans on Earth.